The issue of food and food production is something we've been commenting on for quite some time now. And of course, we have made the point that with the New Deal for farmers and various other environmental schemes that are running at the moment, that not only arable land is being taken out of crop production, but the number of farm animals being kept is being vastly reduced. So my question is that in a country where we are apparently bringing in millions of, or at least hundreds of thousands of new people net in terms of net migration every year, how are we going to feed ourselves? Well, you'll be glad to know that the UK government has set up a new organisation called the National Alternative Protein Innovation Centre, NAPIC. This is all about lab-grown meat and the use of insect protein and other things. It's being set up in the hope of finding sustainable alternatives for normal things that we eat, like steak and chicken. It's a £38 million entity, according to the UK government. That includes a £15 million bung from UKRI. It's going to lead UK alternative protein knowledge and innovation ecosystem, as they describe it. Its vision is to make alternative proteins mainstream for a sustainable planet. And it's led by the Universities of Leeds, Sheffield, Imperial College London, perhaps unsurprisingly, and the James Hutton Institute in collaboration with over 100 national and international partners. And I'm just going to remind everybody that the Tory government produced this lovely little piece of legislation in 2022 called the Genetic Technology (Precision Breeding Act. And if we remind ourselves about what this was going to do, was to remove plants and animals and I'm quite not, because that was a typo, that was their typo. So remove plants and animals produced through precision breeding technologies from regulatory requirements applicable in England to the environmental release and marketing of genetically modified organisms. So remove anything that's produced via this from any kind of regulation, and introduce two notification schemes, one for precision bred organisms used for research purposes and the other used for marketing purposes, in other words, for us to eat. The information collected would be published on a public register on gov.uk. Now, I am not aware of any such public register having been set up to date, but that's what they said at the time. And I'm going to suggest that there is a corollary here. So just to end this segment, the government also, although they're investing in this themselves, they are looking for external investment as well. So the UK and northeast of England is leading the way when it comes to developing environmentally friendly and sustainable plant-based and alternative protein products. And they are inviting investment from third parties. Debbie, what could possibly go wrong?
Can we save that for extra? Because I think it might take too long on the news, Mike.
Yes.
Seriously.